All right, my name's Mark. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about adjusting door hinges. I work in the shop here at Golden Valley. And one of the things that we notice on Caperton products in particular, and almost anything with the European hinge, is we'll have an opening about like this on one side, and sometimes it'll be perfectly tight over with the front. And the easiest way to adjust that, and basically the only way, is there are two screws in these hinges. There's one on the outside that will bring the piece in or out. And that will move it set back like the other one. And the other option for adjusting these is, and this is a little tricky, there's a screw in through this opening at a little bit of an angle, and it'll be kind of tough to find, but that one will adjust it left and right. So in a case where the two doors are rubbing tightly here, you can back the hinge off a little bit on both sides to get you that nice opening like that.